Very excited to show this pickup today. This is the Toyota single cab Hilux. So got our full MA-SV styling pack on this one. These are a very rare vehicle to find. There's not many around, and these do not fall under the current government guidelines for double cab pickups. So low benefit in kind approved. You can run one of these through your business as a van. This one looks absolutely fantastic. We don't get many of these. They're a very rare one to find. 2.4 litre. This is a 74 registered with delivery mileage, so as new. Pure white is the colour. We've got full gloss black front grills, smoked Toyota emblem, bonnet guard, bonnet vents, full gloss black vents to the bottom of the bumper, and the satin black front nudge bar underneath. Looks absolutely fantastic. Got 18-inch alloy wheels with big all-terrain tyres in gloss black as well. Look at those, and a 2-inch suspension lift. So if I just stand back slightly, you can see the suspension's been raised. It gives it a bit more of an aggressive look. We've got the Invincible X styled arches in gloss black wing mirrors, bonnet vents, wind deflectors, door handles, satin black side steps. Got a roll bar on the back in satin black and a roof mounted LED light bar, very slim linear light bar. Down the side you can see how big that bed is. They're so practical, these. You can fit so much stuff in the rear. Full over rail load liner. And it's ready for whatever needs be. If it's work, leisure, bikes, camping. There's so many possibilities with one of these. Rear mud flaps, smoke tail lights, gloss black rear bumper. Got the MA-SV badging on the tailgate. Such a large load bay. Privacy glass to the rear window as well. I'll just open up. So in the single cab Hiluxes you get full leatherette, electric windows, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 284 miles only. 6-speed manual. Everything you need in one of these. You got your eco power mode, you got your air conditioning, heated screen. Got the radio there. Rubber mats. Got USB ports and a few little bits like that. In stock, there isn't another one like this for sale in the UK. We have never seen another one ourselves. We've got some more hopefully coming in the pipeline as well. I'm sure these will be very popular now with the new double cab pickup guidelines. Very practical, look fantastic. In stock now. Obviously, remainder of the Toyota warranty. If you service this at Toyota, you can get up to 10 years warranty. It will last you a lifetime. They're one of the most reliable pickups on the road, the Toyota Hilux. So thank you for watching. If interested, please visit www.ma-sv.co.uk. My name's Harvey. You can give me a call anytime for any inquiry on 0777 111 2040. Thank you for watching.